Introduction to Custom Ringtones by Contact.
Personalizing your phone's ringtone for each contact makes it easier to identify callers instantly without looking at your device. In this guide, you'll learn how to set unique ringtones for individual contacts on both iPhone and Android, creating a more customized and convenient calling experience.
Setting custom ringtones on iPhone.
Open the Contacts app and select the person you want to customize. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. Scroll down and select Ringtone. Browse and choose your preferred sound. Then tap Done twice to save. Now, whenever this contact calls, your chosen ringtone will play.
Assigning ringtones to contacts on Android.
Launch the Contacts or Phone app, then select your desired contact. Tap the pencil icon or Edit option, then find and select Ringtone or Set Ringtone. Pick a tone from the list or add your own audio. Save your selection, and your custom ringtone will play when this contact calls you.
Tips for managing and creating custom ringtones.
You can create your own ringtones by trimming songs or using Ringtone Maker apps. For iPhone, sync tones through iTunes or the Files app if needed. On Android, place ringtone files in the Ringtones folder. Assign different tones to important contacts for quick identification in any situation.
Benefits in troubleshooting custom ringtones.
Custom ringtones help you prioritize calls and avoid missing important contacts. If a custom tone doesn't work, check your phone's volume, silent mode, and permissions. Ensure the audio file is supported and saved in the correct folder. Regularly update your preferred ringtones for the best personalized experience.